Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can register into the Barclays Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.barclays.co.uk and hit enter. After the home page of the Barclays Bank opens up on your screen, just on the right hand side corner of the login button, you'll see the register button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the register button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, scroll down and click on the start button. Once you click on the start button, you'll be guided to the first step of the registration process. In this step, you'll have to fill in your last name here, your date of birth here, your postcode here. You'll have to fill in all these credentials and then click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, and if you have filled in all these required credentials correctly, you'll be guided to step 2, which will help you to register into the Barclays Bank. I hope this video helped you to register into the Barclays Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.